Nice is an amazing city on French Riviera with about 350,000 population. In ancient times, Greeks from Marseille founded here permanent settlement and called it Nicaea in the honor of goddess of victory. From the second part of 18th century, many members of English aristocracy used to come here in winter times. Some of them were Queen Victoria and her son Edward, Lord Cavendish, and many others. And in the name of those people, this place got the name Promenade. Many famous hotels like Negresco, Opera of Nice, Casino, and many restaurants and bars are located along this beautiful promenade. Port Olympia is a peaceful place, and nearby you can take bus 100 to Monaco. The waves were too strong. We had to change our walking route up the hills in direction of Monte Boron, and we didn't make a mistake. Inside city walls is old city of Nice. There are many narrow streets and squares, and this one is famous and very lively, especially in the night. Fountain of Sun is full of controversy, as it represents god Apollon with 4 horses that creates a crown on his head, but without chariots that he usually uses to drive the sun across the sky. And as it is naked sculpture, it was out of public sight for more than 30 years. Thus, the Masena, located between old and new parts of Nice and very near sea promenade, is meeting point of citizens of Nice and also main location for the famous Carnival of Nice. Italian street is the main shopping street in Nice, and there you can see beautiful white Basilica of Notre Dame. Thousands of runners of Nice have their half marathon in April and the marathon Nice-Cannes in October, and many local races like this one. Cours Salaya Market is open market where every day citizens of Nice come to buy fresh and organic food. Only on Monday it is market of antiques. Cimiez is a very elegant and peaceful part of Nice, with many monumental buildings and palaces. At the bottom of Cimiez is the Museum of Marc Chagall, and on the top of the hill is the Museum of Henri Matisse. The Monastery of Cimiez is built in 9th century and belonging Church of Our Lady in 15th century. Surrounding garden is one of the most beautiful in Nice, with a beautiful view on the sea. It is now a garden of roses and Mediterranean plants, but at the beginning it was a garden of vegetables, fruits and medical plants raised by monks. Many famous artists lived in Nice, like Marc Chagall and Henri Matisse. Friedrich Nietzsche wrote his Thus Spoke Zarathustra in Nice, and Anton Chekhov finished his plays His Sisters also in Nice.
Non, c'est bon, stop, 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 stop. Un bacio, un'occasione. Bravo!
Promenade du Paillon connects Place de Masena with the sea. It is 1.2 kilometers long park, 1,500 different plants from all parts of the world, green lungs of the city, and 128 fountains refresh citizens of Nice during summertime. old path of Nice. You can stroll around randomly and never get bored. You can go left, you can go right, or you can stay at boutique like this one and buy at very reasonable price women stylish bags. The Cathedral of Nice is built in a Baroque style, and when you go inside you can really feel connection with the God. Many restaurants are full during lunchtime. It's about 12 and 1 p.m. In the night you can see many young people sitting on the bars that look to the promenade and the sea, and some others are sitting just on the beautiful cable beach nearby promenade. Franche is integral part of the Nice from the north side, and but it's also separated from Nice by Monte Boron. You can easily come there by local bus or from the Monte Boron as we did, and it's nearby the sea, only 4 kilometers from Nice. It is a very nice place, picturesque place with a lot of restaurants and beautiful beach. This place is famous by its very expensive properties. After Monaco, it is the second most expensive place in the world. Many rich people have their villas here. Here is villa of Rothschild. There is also property of King of Belgium. In last century here lived Richard Burton and Elizabeth Taylor, Charlie Chaplin, Winston Churchill, and many other famous people. And this beach is a place where I think you can swim, so I recommend this place for everyone. We are going in direction of Plage d'Afrique, and here is the Plage d'Afrique. and it's also very good beach, and it's also a place where you can swim. Generally, I think Saint Jean Cape Ferrat is a very good place to stay here for summer. I recorded this video in May. I think in summer it can be very good here, but I'm not sure at this moment is it possible to find here some apartment for the budget travelers, something like that. It would be extremely expensive to hire a villa or something, I guess. Thank you for watching.